Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design. Today I'm going to share with you a package that my friend has sent me. This is from my friend Shelley in Pennsylvania. We have been friends, I think it's almost 20 years, it's at least 15. We've never met, we've been online friends for again at least 15 years, and she has sent me a box of some happy planner things because she has transferred to the traveler's notebooks. She uses these little note things. I can't get along with those, but she's like, I've been doing that for years, the traveler's notebooks. I don't need the happy planner stuff anymore. She still uses stickers, but she's like, do you want the other supplies? And I was like, sure. So I thought it would be interesting so you could see what she has sent me. And this is going to be fun because I have not seen this. She's not shown me what's in it. I know there's discs. I know there's covers. So we'll see what else is in here. Why is there a tear strip that I'm missing? I want to try and save the box because I was going to send it right back because I have some stuff to send to her. I've got a card which I will open. I've said this before, but Shell has a store, Celebrate the Little Things. If you're interested in one of her beautiful note cards, then go to Celebrate the Little Things. I'll leave a link to her store down below. She's also on Etsy. All right, let's see what we have. We have a bunch of happy planner stuff. I'm so excited. We've got discs. We've got mini. We've got a little notepad. Oh, fun. We've got a planner, classic, classic, classic. Ooh, cardstock. And then we usually send in a little bit of other stuff. So we've got some washi, got some of the little dots. She actually sent me the washi dots originally. I love these, and these are one of the things that I'll be buying more of. But yeah, some of the washi, super fun. So I've got a memory keeping pack, which will come in very, very handy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. I will probably use this in my project life or my one little word, but I like that they're already punched. Those are going to be perfect for project life. Those are super, super cute. Super cute. All right, let's have a look at the classic first. So I've got, oh, why is this? Oh my God, they're all, that's funny. So you've got some expander discs, and then these, I thought they were all covers, but they're pockets. They're all pocket pages. A couple of dashboards, pocket pages, dashboards. Awesome. Again, if I don't use them in my planner, I can use the cardstock and stuff like that in other projects. So I love this. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. That's going to be so cute for Valentine's Day. Oh, see now. I love that cover. I love that cover. Sorry. And then I've got a planner, which is from 2019. Again, she's been in the Traveler's Notebook for a few years. So this is 2019, but I like the cover. And I always like dots. She knows me so well. She knows me so well. It's the old style. Oh, interesting. And you can see she's actually been using the friction pens in this. So I was going to say I probably won't use the inserts, but I've been using them as daily pages, so maybe I would, who knows. That's beautiful. I like this old style divider, the currently page. That's nice if you weren't going to decorate it yourself. But for the dividers, the disc, the hot pink, I really like these pages. I didn't think I would, but I do. See, even this you could use as a daily page. That cover is to die for. You know I like my spotty covers. Cute. And then we have some covers. I don't know if these all go together, but we shall see. Oh, they go together. So we've got, oh, that has a little pocket on as well. What does that say? Love your life. Very cute. Very cute. I actually really like that. Love your life. What else do we have? I'm going to try and find matching. They don't always match. This is the problem. The covers don't, they go together. I'm going to say they go together and they go together. So we've got, I like that as well. I think the old covers, in my opinion, were some of the best. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That is awesome. This one is awesome. I like as well, this doesn't have the Happy Planner thing. Maybe it's not Happy Planner. But that, yes. Blazer on Trail. I like that. I actually prefer that, I think. That. And then there's a fun, like seasonal type one. That's cute too. And it's got foil on it. Maybe you can see that. It's got foil on it. Can you see? Too much glare. That's so cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. I'm in overload of cuteness right now. Then I have a mini. I always love the minis. She's reversed this. Do all things with kindness. Happy, happy, happy. And then there's another. Again, I love dots. I can't help it. I love dots. That's why I have Dalmatians. That is beautiful. A couple of dividers. Another divider. I love that. Love that. Oh, they're daily pages. So heads up, I am considering doing a daily mini, or I was going to do a skinny, but oh my god, those are fantastic. And I have other daily pages. Little, what do you call those? Pocket page. Yes. Yes. Love. Love. And then there's some more. Oh, it's an extension pack. 2016. This must be one of the original extension packs. 2016. Girl, she's had this in her stash for ages. Some little stickers. Another divider there. And, you know, they will come off, so don't worry about that. And then dividers. Again, that's the 1, 2, 3, 4. That's so cute. So cute. Heck, yes. I don't know what it is about the mini size, but I really do love it. I really do love the mini size. I love the mini size. I can't help it. All right, then we got discs. She was like, do you want discs? And I was like, yes, I do. So we got silver, I believe, expander discs, metal. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know that I prefer, like, if I had to choose a foil or a metal, silver is my preferred. So, yes. Yes, yes. And yes. Little baggie. Those three go with this set. So if I wanted to use these on a classic, I could. And then these probably go with one of the other ones. Yes. And then these go with this for a big. And then these are probably the originals of that other planner. Those are so cute. Although I don't like coloured discs on the planner that I'm currently using, I like to have white. I do store them on coloured discs because I just feel like my white ones are special. My white ones are special. And I've got some yellow ones. I don't have yellow. I've got a few other colours. I've got blue, red, pink. Just looking at my disc container. But I don't have yellow. Yes. All right, that was a haul and a half. So thank you to Shelley for sending me another box of goodies. I'm going to package up the stuff that I have to send to her. Just look at all that. This is why you need girlfriends in your life. that get you. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this fun unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received. Again, if you want to check out Shelley's store, then the link is in the description. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!